Are you looking for the best motorcycle phone mounts? In this video, we will break down the top 5 motorcycle phone mounts on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Universal Handlebar Holder. This clasp handlebar phone mount from Car Accessories is a universal phone mount that fits any model of smartphones. For the clasp to sit perfectly on the handlebar, it should have a diameter between 0.6 inches to 1.4 inches. You don't require any tools to install the mount in place. The patented rubberized ball and bracket design allow you to rotate the holder up to 360 degrees, and once you set the product in the position you want, it doesn't change a bit afterwards. The phone mount has a high shock absorption capacity, and the rubberized grip with silicone belts makes sure that your device is secure throughout the journey. The silicone band wraps situated at the 4 corners ensure that no matter how high the vibration is, you would be able to use your phone smoothly. At number 2. GUB Bicycle and Motorcycle Phone Mount. This phone mount is a light and exceptionally vital detail that resists rocky conditions, weather, and utilization. A sponge on the back guards the phone against abrasions and reduction. A 360 rotation characteristic lets you select how to place your phone against the sun and stimulate conception. The latest access is entirely distanced back on the edges, which means you can view the whole display when you look at it. This bracket operates for circular handlebar bikes, not dwindling ones. It essentially suits users' needs, supremely, and purchase satisfactory. If you do not want a plastic component but a sustainable product that lasts for years, the GUB is an exceptional selection. At number 3. Quad Lock Bike Mount Kit. This quad lock phone mount is a particular type of motorcycle phone mount and is for iPhone X and iPhone Xs. The product features a patented dual-stage lock that provides utmost protection and secures your phone like no other. The phone mount doesn't require any special installation procedures and can be easily removed from the handlebar as well. The product fits perfectly on handlebars of diameter in the range 25 mm to 40 mm. The phone mount comes along with a slim and protective iPhone case, a water-resistant poncho and mounting hardware. If you are planning to use the phone mount, then you will have to put on the protective case provided by the manufacturer. At number 4. Vibrelli Universal Motorcycle and Bike Phone Mount. This phone mount is ideal for all kinds of motorcycles, ATVs, e-bikes, and mountain bikes. It fits handlebars that measure from 0.9 to 1.3 inches and accommodates almost all smartphones. With the sturdy construction and sleek design, the mount proves to be super secure and durable. The mount features an adjustable clamp and 3 silicone bands to keep your phone safe during rides. All the pieces are well made and strong, so the mount can hold even those extremely large and heavy phones. The holder mounts in a breeze and ensures a firm grip on the handlebar. It also allows for full screen access without you having to move your phone. You can even position it to the desired angle, thanks to the swiveling point of 360 degrees. At number 5. Metal Motorcycle Mount for Phone. This motorcycle phone mount is part of TACForm's Endure series, which is rock solid. If you ride on off-road more often or maybe on country roads, then this phone mount is perfect for GPS navigation, a fitness tracking app, and listening to music while riding. This is an aluminum mount that can easily hold your existing smartphone and is capable of handling the future tech handheld devices as well. It comes with an aluminum clamp to strongly attach to the handlebar and provides a strong grip. It also offers 360-degree rotation with portrait and landscape viewing. It has an aluminum ball and socket joint, which allows for a perfect viewing angle,